Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Would you like to grab a coffee?
Sure. There's a nice coffee shop nearby.
Perfect. Let's go.
Hello, what can I get for you?
I'd like a latte, please.
What size would you like?
A medium, please.
And for you?
I'll have an Americano, please.
Do you take milk or sugar?
Just a little milk. What about you?
I usually drink my coffee black.
Do you want some cake?
Yes. That chocolate cake looks delicious.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. It's $12.
I'll pay this time.
Are you sure?
Yes. Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much for the tip.
I had a great time today.
Me too. We should do this again.
How about going to the cinema next weekend?
That sounds great.
Perfect. I'll message you later.
See you soon.
Listen and repeat. Would you like to grab a coffee? Would you like to grab a coffee? I'd like a latte, please. I'd like a latte, please. Do you take milk or sugar? Do you take milk or sugar? I usually drink my coffee black. I usually drink my coffee black. Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please? Keep the change? Keep the change. How about going to the cinema next weekend? How about going to the cinema next weekend? Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and speak English aloud every day. Subscribe for more easy English conversations. See you in the next video.